What if your organization's biggest revenue problem had nothing to do with payer contracts? Think about that for a moment. Because in healthcare, we spend enormous amounts of time obsessing over payer negotiations, denials, collections, reimbursement schedules, staffing ratios, labor costs, and operational efficiency. Entire leadership meetings are devoted to squeezing another 1 or 2% out of contracts. But what if the revenue problem starts long before the claim is ever submitted? What if the biggest leak in your organization is happening quietly, invisibly, every single day inside the clinic? Today, we're uncovering the million-dollar problem nobody is talking about: physician undercoding.
Welcome to Medical Money Matters, the podcast where you can find experts, answers, and resources so that you can achieve mastery over the financial and business aspects of your practice.